Research shows, on average, medical practice staff waste at least 3 hours a day on phone tag. 67% of first-time patients do not come back due to lack of follow-up and loss of communication. Between phone tag, lost appointments, and burned-out staff members, medical practices are losing revenue. Thankfully, there's a way to get your practice back on track. Meet Klara, a HIPAA-compliant messaging platform that makes it easy for healthcare providers to communicate with their patients and with each other. Klara saves your staff members up to 3 hours per day on unnecessary tasks, has an average patient adoption rate of 85%, and has 92% of providers saying it helps us deliver a great patient experience. Say goodbye to phone tag. With secure messaging, communication happens when it's most convenient, not when someone decides to call. You don't have to leave voicemails, patients don't have to wait on hold, and everyone can respond when it's convenient for them. And when someone leaves a voicemail, Klara automatically transcribes it, so you can respond with a quick text message instead of calling back. Dramatically reduce the time spent on patient intake. With smart patient coordination features like e-forms and document requests, you don't need to ask patients to come early to fill out paperwork, or deal with a backed-up schedule when they don't. Deliver high-quality telemedicine on any device. Conduct real-time video visits with your patients with up to 4 participants. Document notes in the patient's chart side by side as you complete the video visit. Make internal communication more efficient. Don't waste time chasing answers from your team or going through stacks of notes. With Klara, you can easily mention a teammate or assign them a conversation. It will notify them that they have a new message in their inbox. One place for all your patient communications. Unlike phone calls, email threads, faxes, or standard text messages, the conversation history in Klara is saved for 7 years, so you can always go back to reference what was said. And because it's a single conversation thread for everyone on the team, you don't have to worry about information getting lost in personal inboxes or messages. Attach photos, files, and more. Klara's attachment feature supports all common file formats, so patients can easily send pictures of clinical concerns, attach previous medical records, or send anything else they need. Give patients a great experience with Klara. It works on any cell phone, and patients don't have to remember portal passwords or logins, bookmark a website, or even download an app. They simply text, which is why patients love communicating with Klara, and why it has an 85% adoption rate. With over 3 million active users to date, it's no wonder Klara is transforming communication in healthcare, so all patients can receive great care.